Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can change wallpaper on this smartphone. So first, you have to click and hold your home screen. Go for the wallpaper at the bottom. For example, we are going for pre-installed wallpapers. And let's change wallpaper, for example for this one. So click on it, then tap apply. We can apply on the lock screen, home screen, or both of them at the same time. I'm going to change only to home screen. And as you can see, right now, wallpaper has changed. And that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.